how's it going? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own blacklight posters like the ones you see on my wall here. So let's say that you run an art business and your specialty is that you make paintings that glow in the dark. An issue that you're going to run into is that when you want to reproduce your paintings for prints, you're going to lose that glowy magic that made your painting special. That's a problem that I ran into, and I did find a solution after scouring both locally and online for a company that would print using UV reactive ink. I'm not affiliated with this company in any way, although if you guys want to reach out to me, I'd love to sponsor you. I just get my art printed from them and it's super good quality, so let me teach you how to do it. The company I was referring to is GLOWTRONICS, and as you can see, there's a lot you can do here, but let's focus on the fabrics. To create a one-off order, you're going to go to Fabrics and then Tapestry. You have 3 different materials to choose from, either using standard ink or their specialty UV reactive ink. For this example, let's say that we're going to make a matte UV poster. Another perk is that you can customize the exact dimension of the poster, banner, or tapestry that you're getting, and then you get an immediate estimate depending on the square footage of the fabric. Down here is where you upload what you want to print. This can be something like a PNG of a digital drawing or a high quality scan of your artwork or even a photo, as long as it's 300 dpi. And also make sure that your image resolution is big enough for the print that you're about to make. Your uploaded image can either be RGB format or CMYK format. Now let's take a look at the flock posters. Same as before, you can either get this with UV or standard ink. This page is identical from the one from before. I'll show you the difference in material later on in the video. The downside to these flock posters is that there is a 25 count minimum that you need to order. In the collections tab, you can see and even order other artwork from different artists. This aspect of the site is really similar to Redbubble, and in fact you can even do print on demand through this company. Before you start, you should probably look through their documentation to make sure that you're getting the best print you can. I highly recommend that you use your color chart template so then you can make edits of your artwork and choose which areas you want to stick out. Other than that, just explore the site and make something cool. Right here are 4 posters that I got printed, which are all different material. Starting off with the flock poster, which has a fuzzy texture on the surface and it's also more rigid than the others. Next is the satin poster, which is really silky and reflective. Next is the lycra poster, which is my personal favorite because of how well the colors pop. It's really stretchy and it kind of feels like spandex. Finally, the matte poster, which is very similar to the satin one, except that you don't get that reflective shine. I have all of these available for sale at messyendeavor.com if you want to support the channel.